Hello friends, today discuss about WordPress important topic. So let's start and don't subscribe and share. So today topic cover in this video, what is WordPress, why WordPress is fast and secure, how WordPress is search engine friendly, how WordPress is scalable, what is WordPress.com, WordPress.com versus WordPress.org, how to make money with WordPress. So now first topic, what is WordPress? So start. What is WordPress? Commonly, WordPress is simply content management system. That means CMS. WordPress is simply content management system. This wasn't the case through some 10 years ago when WordPress was just a blogging platform. Anyone can post blog uh, in WordPress platform. So today, beside blogging, you can use WordPress to build and run powerful website of all domain. You can customize as you wish WordPress. So now next topic is WordPress is fast and secure. Why WordPress fast and secure? So discuss here why WordPress fast and secure. So while hackers will always to find loopholes, any hackers when find in any website loopholes and to exploit. So while hackers will always to find loopholes to exploit, WordPress makes their job the harder. The CMS is built with the best code standards to make it fast and impregnable in terms of security. The platform receives regular update aimed to improving the code as well as sealed security holes. Furthermore, you can bolster the security of your WordPress site easily using services such as Blog Vault and plugins such as item security. WordPress comes with the best spam protection as well. A chemist as leader in this area. So WordPress is fast and secure. Now and next topic, WordPress is search engine friendly. Why WordPress is search engine friendly? So WordPress is built with the best web standards. The source code is clean and valid HTML, meaning search engine will find for your site like a Romeo Juliet style. Other than that, WordPress support metadata, tags, categories, search engine optimization friendly, URLs, and so much more, including search engine optimization plugins. And is next topic, WordPress is scalable. Why WordPress is scalable? So what can't you possible through at goods? Well, WordPress, you can build a simple blog for J family, launch a multi-million dollar e-store, create a news site such as the Time, or build a popular social networks. And WordPress won't give in even if your website grows 10 times, 100 times more. I'm yet to encounter a single person who dropped WordPress because scalability become an issue. WordPress is highly flexible and scalable, and don't let anyone convenience your otherwise. Your web server might have limitations, so ensure you have great host before you think of throwing out WordPress. After all, it has minimal requirement. What is WordPress.com? So we know what is WordPress. WordPress is simple application you can install on your local host or online hosting service provider. And now what is WordPress.com? WordPress.com is proprietary blog hosting service provider. WordPress.com is not directly related to WordPress.org, which is home of the most popular open source content management software. WordPress even through WordPress.com blog hosting service uses WordPress at its core. There are several limitations to WordPress.com. You cannot install plugins on your WordPress.com site, which is one of the best features of using WordPress. We have heard from many users who switched from WordPress.com to a self-hosted WordPress.org site because they did not want to be limited in terms of what they could do with their site. You also cannot use custom themes on WordPress.com. On top of all that, you are limited in terms of monetization. You cannot use ad platform like Google AdSense on your WordPress.com site to make money from it. So WordPress.com versus WordPress.org. Quickly, WordPress.org is the site where you can download WordPress and slew of free themes and plugins. You can learn more about the WordPress project and keep up with the grapevine on the many mini sites. On the other hand, WordPress.com is a service that gets you started with a free WordPress based blog in no time. Yes, you get a free blog, but the features are relatively limited and less flexible than what you are to get with the favor of WordPress at WordPress.org. WordPress.com will offer you a .wordpress.com subdomain, that means vpkb.wordpress.org, but you have to pay for a personalized domain like as www.vpcube.com. Should you need one, the WordPress you install yourself grant you all awesome WordPress features, but as we have already mentioned, you have need to purchase your own domain name and web hosting services. So, and again, how to make money with WordPress. This is a most important topic, how to money make with WordPress. So let's start. When it started as a simple blogging platform, it was difficult to imagine you could make money with WordPress. Here's quick list all the same. And first is you can make money developing and selling premium WordPress themes, plugins, add-ons, scripts and widgets. And second is you can make money blogging and creating content on WordPress like as blogs, ebooks, courses. You can make a killing promoting WordPress products, means themes, plugins, add-ons, widgets, hooks, manage WordPress hosting among others. And 4 is you can make money providing WordPress technical support. And 5 is you can monetize your WordPress blog site. Think of advertisement, donations and sponsors contents. You can flip your WordPress site for a lump sum and take a vacay. So today we're gonna discuss about all topics of WordPress.com, WordPress application and WordPress.org. Thanks for watching. Touch with us, subscribe and share. Thank you, friends.